What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we're gonna learn our very first A count of the series. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so let's jump into this episode by learning our very first A count of the series. So I'm going to start with my right foot. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go right, behind, together. So if you see my season 2 series, then you'll know this move very well. So again, with my right foot, I'm going right, behind, together. Let's go one more time. So with our right, I'm going right, left, right. And then again, I'm going to repeat because as a beginner, we want to repeat, make sure we can do it on both sides. So with my left, going left, behind, together. So time over here, going left foot, left, behind, together. So let's just put those two together. So I'm going right, left, together, left, right, together. And our counts for this will be 1 and 2, 3, and 4. So from here, I'm going to add a slide. So if I was profile and this is the side of me and this is going backwards, all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my right foot to go back, and I'm pushing off my left foot together, and I'm going to push off this right foot, slide to my left front together. Okay, so from here, I'm going push with my left to the right, push with my right to the left. So let's try that again. So with my right leg, I'm going right, left, together, left, right, together, slide, back, slide, front. Very good. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go a little bit faster. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that you have the footwork, all I'm gonna do is add a down groove and an up groove to our moves. Just make it look a little bit different, and so we're not just stepping around. So with our right, left together, I'm gonna add a down groove only on my step out. So on this step or on this step, I'm gonna add a down groove. So with my right leg, I'm going down and up, down and up. So one more time, just down grooves only on that first step. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You wanna go down and up, down and up. So for the slides, I wanna do what's called an up groove. So it's a little bit tricky, but as I'm going backwards, it's almost like I'm pushing my body up, 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 up. So let that leg kind of push you up into the air, up, and then we go up again. Then I'm gonna go up and up. So right as my feet come together, I wanna go down and then come up, and then right as my feet come together, down, up. So let's try that with the slide. So 6, 7, 8, I'm going up and up, up and up. So up groove's a little bit tricky, but again, just think like you're hitting the beats up here, but you're basically still doing a down groove just a half beat later. Okay, so I'm going down and up, down and up, 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 up. So let's try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, going down and up, down and up, 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 up. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, down and up, down and up, 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 up. Let's go one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this episode, we're really mixing our down groove and our up groove now with this one. So first one is our down groove only when we're stepping out, so it's kind of doing a half tempo down groove. And then for the up groove, again, I'm trying to hit the beats up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, really practice the distinction between your down groove and your up groove for these steps. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you shout outs and props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.